That's the 2013 emergence of the Brood 2 cicadas, 17-year cicadas. This is in Newburgh, New York. It's June 1st, 2003. And these are the little nymphs that have come out of the ground recently, and they climb on surfaces in the sun, and they drop their shell, they lose their shells, and then they emerge as these ugly spuds with the red eyes, like that guy there. And that's what an adult looks like before his wings are all dried. There's another one. And they fly off into the trees and have wild bug sex and lay their eggs in the leaves, and then the eggs hatch, fall to the ground, the nymphs burrow into the ground and attach to tree roots and suck on tree roots for 17 years, and the whole thing starts all over again. So these guys that we got here, these guys were born in 1996, and they're there. And their babies that they're going to make this summer will re-emerge in 2030. And these are some guys hanging on our shed. Hopefully I haven't seen enough of these. But what I did want to show you is the ground in front of the shed, oops, and my shadow, clever, are all of these holes. And this is where these guys dug their way out of to emerge. I'm not sure if you can hear the noise in the background. It's a steady, I don't know what you call it, steady noise, which is the love song of the 17-year cicada as they're trying to find girl cicadas. Shouldn't be any problem for them because there just seem to be an awful lot of them around. These are busy drying out on a tree. This is an oak tree outside the house. You can see down here on the ground all the discarded exoskeletons that they have shed. You can see that they've been, oh, there's an adult right there. But all of these little shells are things that the nymphs have thrown off as they've come out and shed. So they've been busy. Ugly little spuds, aren't they?